Hello folks, this is Jeff, the Pocket Watch Guy from thepocketwatchguy.com. I have a wonderful timepiece I want to share with you today. This is a South Bend pocket watch circa 1909. It's a size 16 with 17 jewels, a grade 215. Just a wonderful pocket watch. This would have been the gentleman's pocket watch of the day at the turn of the century. Just a wonderful timepiece in excellent condition. Let me show you guys the movement. South Bend was known for beautiful and innovative pocket watches. It was owned by the Studebaker brothers, and like the Studebaker automobiles, they were known for their innovative designs. And this is a wonderful example. Grade 215, antique demasking. It's a sunburst pattern and in excellent condition. Just serviced and excellent timekeeper's design. If you have any questions, drop me a line, Jeff at thepocketwatchguy.com. Thank you so much.